So here we are going to learn about the topic hydrostatic force on plane surfaces. So hydrostatic force is a force which is exerted by water on plane surfaces when it is at rest, because here hydro means water, static means rest. So the force exerted by the water when it is at rest on different plane surfaces is referred to as hydrostatic force, and this plane surfaces could be horizontal, vertical or inclined. Okay. Now let us understand it with an example. So let us consider this as a surface of water, and below this water a vertical surface is present with some cross sectional area. Okay. Now here the fluid which is in contact with this vertical surface is at rest, but though is it at rest, it will exert some pressure force on this vertical surface, and which is and that force will be perpendicular to this surface. Okay. So let us see that what is the formula which is used to calculate the total pressure which is exerted by this static fluid when it comes in contact with the surface. So the formula which is used is F rho g A h bar, where F is total pressure, rho is fluid density, g is gravitational acceleration, A is area of immersed surface, and h bar is the depth of Cg of immersed surface from free surface of fluid. So what is h bar? So if this is the center of gravity g of this vertical plane surface, then h bar will be the depth of this plane surface from the free surface of fluid. So this is the equation which is used to calculate the total pressure exerted by the fluid when it is at rest on the plane surface, and that plane surface will always be normal to the force which is exerted by the fluid, and this force is calculated in newtons. Now once the total force which is exerted by the fluid on the immersed surface is known, we need to determine the point of application of this total pressure. Okay. So we need to locate a point that at which point this total pressure will be exerted on this plane surface, or so for that we have the formula of H star is equals to Ig upon A h bar plus h bar, where Ig is the moment of inertia of plane surface which is parallel to the free surface of fluid. A is the area of immersed surface, and h bar is defined over here, which is depth of Cg of immersed surface from free surface of fluid, and that will be the center of pressure which is denoted by P. So center of pressure is the another important definition, which is defined as the point of application of resultant pressure force. Okay, so center of pressure is defined as the point of application of the resultant pressure force. It means the point at which this resultant or the total pressure force will act on the plane surface. So this equation is used when your immersed plane surface is vertical immersed plane surface, and suppose if your plane surface is inclined. Okay, this is applicable for both vertical as well as horizontal plane surfaces. This formula is applicable, but when your plane surface is inclined, then the formula that will be used will be H star is equals to Ig sin square theta upon A h bar plus h bar, and this is used for inclined immersed plane surface, and this center of pressure is measured in terms of meter. So I hope you are clear with two definitions over here.